Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to send a video on Gmail. First, we have to access gmail.com. And on the left corner, you can see the Compose button. Click it. The new message window will be opened. Here, you can fill the person you want to send this email to. And remember to fill the subject. For example, edited video like I do. Next, you can write some information about the video. Here it's optional. And at the bottom of the new message window, you can see attach files here. Click it and then choose the video you want to send. So, if your video is larger than 25 MB, it's gonna transfer into the Google Drive link. Click Send to send the email. Okay, now we can choose the Share with People button here. If you just want to share this video to the people who you already added on the top of the new message window, you also can manage they just a viewer, or they can comment on the video, or they can edit the video. Or if you want many people can watch this video, you can choose Allow anyone with the link to view, which means if you share the link to that person, they can instantly watch the video. And then click Send. So we are done. Don't worry if you don't see any video on the message. We have the link here. And when you click on the link, it will address you to the video. So don't worry about that. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.